No, 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 Mike, it's coming! He's so far away, hurry up!
I'm almost there! Oh no, I can't get up! My leg is stuck, I can't get up! No, 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 no!
Oh no, I have a flashlight! Mike, catch!
Take this! Oh, it worked! Nice job!
Finally, we saved the first one!
I can explain.
I went into a room and I saw something!
Whoa!
What?
You serious?
We need lots of logs and metal, got it?
Got it!
5 minutes later.
What? How did you do that? How's that even possible? What?
Let's get some more metal!
Alright, next objective. Get past those wolves and the valuable item. You go first and destruct them.
I've got a pretty good plan! Do you like bones? Here we go! Now go get it, over there!
Alright, what do we have here?
I found this first.
We'll see about it. That was a great day, thanks!
Okay.
Oh no! The campfire is almost out! What do we do now? JJ is asleep! Oh no! JJ! Wake up! Wake up!
Bruh.
What could keep the campfire going?
Okay.
This should work.
Wait, what?
Easy!
That was a great night. Okay. This is a lava biome. There are lots of cool items here. I'm going right, and you? Where did you go?
So where do we go now? This place is weird.
Alright, there's an army guarding something up there. Awesome! We need to destruct them, but this time I'll do it. You've gotta be kidding me!
You serious?
Now we'll destruct them. Anybody wanna see a show?
Whoa, but it worked! Yeah, I've got a little time. A crossbow? Awesome!
This wolf is about to do 5 backflips in a row! Yo!
I can explain.
JJ! Where are you?
Yeah, we found a volcano.
Whoa!
We need to throw something valuable in here, then volcano gives you something in return.
That's awesome!
Look, now it's your turn. What do you have? Wait, where did you get that? That MacBook looked just like mine.
I took everything from your room!
What? No, 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 no! It was so cool, no!
Something awesome is about to happen. Yeah, wherever. Let's keep going.
I'm sorry.
Yo, catch!
Huh?
I hope he didn't see me. According to the map, this is a cave. I wonder where Mikey is.
Huh?
Now we just need to save the second one. Wait, what is it?
Huh?
JJ! Wait!
Hey, hi!
Hi boys, what are you up to? I'm taking what's mine.
Alright, we need to get back to the campfire fast. We probably shouldn't stay here too long. Who knows what's out here?
Okay, let's go.
I think it's this way. Mikey, where are you this time?
Help me.
Yo, you again?
Come on, hop in. I've been trying to catch him for a long time.
Is it just me or is they together?
Don't move. I'll save you. He has to be somewhere nearby.
Guys, I think I'm stuck.